In this video, I'm going to show you how to view the profit and loss report in Wave. Begin by opening your Wave dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, scroll down to find the Reports option and click on it. Among the available reports, select Profit and Loss. This will display a summary of your income and expenses for the current year, automatically calculating your net profit. The summary provides an overview of your earnings and the expenses subtracted from them to arrive at the net profit. For more detailed information, click on the Details option. This view breaks down each account, showing the sources of income and categorizing expenses, such as utilities, repairs, and maintenance. You can also customize the report by selecting a specific start and end date to generate monthly or yearly reports. After adjusting the dates, click Update Report to refresh the data. If you need to save or share the report, use the Export button at the top right. You can choose to export the report as a CSV file or a PDF, which will provide a complete and organized view of your profit and loss information. This feature allows you to analyze your financial performance comprehensively and maintain accurate records for reporting or review purposes.